Are you someone who gets all excited and nostalgic when watching cartoons? Well, you are not alone. The talking and moving characters, dramatic backgrounds, funny properties, and quirky background music make cartoons super engaging. All this intrigues people worldwide, raises their levels of curiosity irrespective of their ages, and keeps them engaged throughout the duration of the cartoon video. But do you know the psychology behind this? Whenever we watch cartoons, it reminds us of our childhood and unearths peaceful memories that were hidden deep inside our brains. Here's an example. Didn't this GIF make you feel delighted? Now, do you realize why animated movies have a calming effect on us? Several brands like Apple, McDonald's, Nintendo, etc. understood this mentality and took advantage of it through a concept called nostalgia marketing, which refers to promotion using ideas from the past. This means of promotion helped them get raving responses across the world. So if you also want to get on board with big names and draw attention through the magic of nostalgia marketing, cartoon videos are the best bet. And if you have decided to make cartoon videos, Animaker is the right place for you. Creating a cartoon video with talking characters is a piece of cake using Animaker. So with no further delay, let's jump right into the concept of making cartoon videos. If you are wondering how to create cartoon videos, there are two methods: creating cartoon videos with a template, creating cartoon videos from scratch. Now all that's left is creating the cartoon videos. Let's start by learning how to create a cartoon video from scratch. 1. How to make cartoon videos from a template. If you are not familiar with the concept of video making and would like to exert significantly less energy in the actual creation process, then editing a template would be the best option for you. Animaker has a massive collection of pre-made templates across different categories like video ads, corporate, explainer, etc. Since templates are pre-made perfectly by our in-house design experts, making minor changes here and there would help you get a brand new video that also looks supreme in minutes. If you are ready to edit such a template and would like to learn how by watching a video, check this out. Or, if you want to edit a template side by side by following textual steps, continue reading. Here are the steps to edit a template. Step 1, Sign up/login. Step 2, Exploring the dashboard. Step 3, Selecting the perfect template. Step 4, Editing text. Step 5, Editing the character. Step 6, Altering the music track. Step 7, Previewing and downloading the video. Step 1, Sign up/login. If you have not registered with Animaker already, To log in with your account, use this link. Step 2, Exploring the dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will get redirected to the dashboard. Here, you will get to see a lot of pre-made templates for different categories. If you want to preview a template, hover over it and click on the preview option. Step 3, Selecting a template. Let's start by creating a cartoon explainer video with characters for a business. Type explainer on the search tab to look for an explainer video. This lists several explainer videos. Let's select the template, Promote your product or service. You will notice the template getting launched as a new project like this. Do you see how the template has been made perfect with everything necessary, from the characters to the music? So, your only task is to replace the elements and customize the video according to your needs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click on the link below to visit our website for more detailed information.